How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancey Man back with another video. And today is another video for a great gift idea. Definitely for somebody who's carrying a wallet or might start carrying a wallet. But I stumbled across, I don't know how, I was on Amazon about a year ago. I was searching smart something and I came across what they're calling smart wallets. All right, but to my knowledge, most of them there is no tech involved. There are a few smart wallets on the market that do involve very minimal tech, such as Find My Wallet, which is basically a Bluetooth tracker. But these and the one I'm currently carrying, only thing I guess that makes it smart is the little mechanism for your cards to pop up. Okay. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed, please turn on notifications for future videos. And as always, I encourage you guys to drop your comments below, and I will respond to your comments at my earliest convenience. All right, please follow the channel. So like I was saying, I picked up a smart wallet last year, and as you can see, this one is currently beat up pretty good. The trigger mechanism still works, so I'll probably, I don't know, give it to my son. We'll see. But anyway, most of them hold about 4 or 5 cards in the slot here. All right, and this one I have 5, so probably hold one more. But 2 of these cards, or 3 of these cards, are actually fake. They're really cardboard. The ones they send to try to get you to sign up for a card like this. So the cards are a little thicker, but I know for a fact it holds 5. I carry 5, and my ID and a couple other cards here. All right, like I said, this is beat up. So on Amazon, they actually had a during their Black Friday sale, I picked up another one. I actually picked up 2, and I'm gonna show them to you real quick. Try to make this video not too long. All right. So this one is from a company called is that it? No, that's not it. Big Ant? Yeah, Big Ant. Alright, so this is what it looks like. At the time I got this from Black Friday, during their Black Friday sale, it was like 32, 34 bucks, something like that. And as you can see, it comes in, 3 different colors. Black, brown, and I thought a darker brown. Alright. See the trigger mechanism. It's a little different on this one. Alright. Let's check this out. Let's see, what is this here? Okay, kind of give you an idea of features or whatnot. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a thin wallet. Yeah, so. But I don't carry a lot of junk like I used to in my wallet. So this is an easy pick up and go for me. All right, so this one has multiple transparent slots. Your ID, maybe a picture over here or something, or your work ID and your state ID or whatnot, driver license. Okay, and then there's a slot I was telling you about that holds at least 5 cards comfortably. So this trigger here, it feels a little, I guess, better. I don't know, different. That would take some getting used to. My fingers are so big. And then of course the belt clip, or money clip, belt clip, or yeah, money clip. I don't know. This is probably too much to fit in there, but like I said, just to kind of give you guys an idea. Well, it's in there, so kinda. But I wouldn't carry this much in the wallet anyway, especially if I'm going out. Maybe a couple 20s, maybe 50 or so. But Oh, there's a slot on the front as well. So that's cool. So so it's already better than my old one. All right, this one had no slots, which this one was probably 20 bucks cheaper as well. So like I said, I had to put some cards here and a few things here. But let's take out the fake cards and pop them in here. Just one here. Oh, I went in. Just one there. Let's see. There. Here. Okay. I had a feeling those are gonna fit. And let's try the fit it up in the. I hadn't bothered to look it up, but all right. So we got them in. Let's just see. I'm left-handed, so I definitely couldn't get used to the trigger being on this side. I need it on this side. Well, I'm used to using the trigger with my right hand, but now it's on this side. But I keep my wallet on my right side, so when I go for it, it's usually like this. But that would be the back of it. But either way, this doesn't feel comfortable because of the size of my fingers. But let's pull it anyway. Oh, that's a little stiff. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't feel very comfortable at all. I'm feeling it way too much. Let me see. So it's supposed to hold at least 5. Yeah, I couldn't get used to this trigger. But you guys kind of have an idea how it works, how it looks. Feels pretty good. You can tell it's not real leather. They don't advertise it as real leather. So, and I believe that's their branding, which appears to be a bull's head. Okay, more branded on the bottom. Like I say, you saw on Amazon, it's $42.99. So, you know, not a bad gift item for that person. You just can't think of what to get them. You know, most likely they don't have a smart wallet, so that'd be pretty cool. Something different. All right, let's check out the next one. Okay, so this last one is from a company called Volkit. I guess I'm saying that right. All right, I paid 25 bucks for this one. Well, 25 before taxes. Now this one comes in a larger variety of colors. You can see that one is black, which kind of has a carbon fiber look to it. It's pretty cool. Maroon, gray, blue. It's real cool. All right, and I'll be dropping a link for both of them if anybody's interested. All right, let's take a look around it real quick. This video already longer than I wanted it to be, but there we go. Okay, nice little wrapping. Some branding on it. Alright, no instructions. Alright. So this is it. Now this one, see the trigger mechanism is totally different on this one. It's a smoother pull to it, and I can get used to this. This feels good in the hands. Real nice. So, unlike the other one and my old one, you don't have a money clip. No money clip. Money clip. All right. But I like the look of it. So you got slots here, slot on the back. It's your card slot, trigger mechanism. Then on the inside, you got 2 transparent slots. So again, work ID, badge, state ID, driver license, and whatnot. And you got another one for, I don't know, a couple 20s, maybe. All right. Let's pop these in, see if we can get a smoother pull. Oh yeah, that feels real nice. I like that. Okay, yeah, I'll be keeping this one. That other one will be a Christmas gift. Just kind of give you an idea of the thickness of them. Of course, this one is going to be a lot thicker. Actually, it's just a lot bigger overall. All right. It's pretty cool. Let's see it's inside there. All right. Oh, nice little branding on the side here. That's cool. If you enjoyed this video, drop your comments and your questions below. Again, I'll leave a link for both wallets. I'll even throw in a link for my old wallet. I have to look it up. All right. Great gift ideas out of the, thinking outside the box there. I never see this one coming. Hopefully somebody doesn't carry a whole bunch of business cards. I had to get away from that a long time ago. So this is a perfect switch. You can only carry, a limited amount of things. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yancha Man out.